Coming up in today's video. Acrobatics on the building site. The camera trap. Is this what we've been waiting for? And I got blindfolded.
Okay, Pepijn.
Ah, chef. Good morning. Huh? I'm alright. Are you alright?
Yeah.
It's the last week of April and also our last week in South Africa. For now, of course. In October we will move to this amazing country, so we only have a couple of months left to finish the building of our guest lodge.
So a lot happened on the building site today, so we are going to look around and see what they did today. I think it's a lot because they painted the lapa. We got windows in our main house. Sorry. Hello, sir. All going good? Ah. Good. Yeah.
The problem must be fixed.
It was not good, huh? Jeroen, they're breaking it down again.
Oh, it looks so nice, Norman. It looks so nice.
Yeah.
Now.
All the work for nothing. What was wrong?
Well, I can show you. The problem was that it fit the windows, but there was a very thick
Silicon.
silicone.
Yeah.
So now they're redoing this. It's gonna look nice.
This is still wet.
Okay.
This is going to be our private house. It's almost 9 meters high, or about 29 feet.
The camera.
So, the camera.
Yes, indeed. And it's recording the crazy things these builders are doing to get to the top of the house.
On the camera it looks like it's like 200 meters up. Here, look at that guy. It's crazy. You're going to put this on there? Really? Seriously?
It's like a circus. This.
Yeah.
Oh, be careful.
The showmaster. Huh?
Ay.
What are they doing?
They are fixing this.
They're fixing what?
They're my problem.
Your problem.
No, yeah. Look, the first thing you do when you enter a house and enter the deck, you
Don't stand over there.
like the height.
Yeah.
But if it's not straight on top, yeah,
You're not straight as well.
that's the problem. No, but Thomas,
He said.
Thomas,
said.
look,
He
this
said-
guy
no.
also said, yes, it needs to be straight.
It needs to be straight. So, and it's not straight. So,
And after a day of working hard on the building site, the builders go home. And we have some time to check out the camera trap. It starts to record when an animal walks by, and it happens a lot during the night. Some animals only show up when nobody is around. The camera is placed close to our new house on the corner of our piece of land. Let's check out last night's recordings.
What do we have? Ah,
Niala.
Niala. During the day, only one male. Then let's go. Some nice kudus.
Kudus. In the dark.
One and
This is from one night?
yep,
Last night.
yep.
What?
Leopard. Whoa, okay. I hope the kudus are. Yeah, it's. Finally.
Walk to our house.
We have seen leopards many times during game drives, but next to your house is something else. Don't be afraid, if you leave them alone, nothing will happen. There is no report of people getting hurt by leopards in our estate. It's a new day and the builders are working on the floors. And I don't know how to do that, so we decided to do something we can do very well. Go shopping! We need to pick the cupboards and the tops for the kitchen. I will show you the results in one of the coming videos.
Yeah? Doen we die?
Finally.
Finally. Looking good.
Looking good.
The first piece of furniture has arrived.
Yep.
Well, first 3 pieces of furniture. And the fridge.
We don't even have a place to store it, but yeah. We just wanted to see this one. Huh?
Is it nice? Comfortable?
It's nice.
Yeah? Good. Beautiful!
It's a nice color. I like the color. Fabric.
So today it's Kingsday in the Netherlands. If you ever been to the Netherlands or during that day, or maybe you are Dutch, then you know that it's one crazy day and Dutch people are really crazy during Kingsday. Now I'm here in South Africa, so I thought it's not going to be a problem for me this year. I don't have to participate in it. But Jeroen came with a fantastic idea to go to a restaurant nearby, and they are having a special Kingsday celebration. And look at my face, I'm so super excited to go. Ready
Ready
to go?
to go. What is it?
Kingsday celebration.
Yep. Today we honor our king.
What do you think they have over there?
Well, Kingsday is a Dutch celebration, so we have all kinds of Dutch food, probably.
Food is not a problem.
It's not a problem.
No, I don't
food
mind.
is never
I
a
don't
problem
mind
for
the
you.
Dutch food. I just mind the Dutch games, like
Yeah,
zaklopen, spijkerpoepen.
They call it Oud-Hollands. So that's what they did like a trillion years ago. And it's supposed to be nice. Koekhappen.
We're going to pick up our friends, our South African friends, and introduce Dutch Kingsday to them. Yay! Are you ready for Kingsday?
Yay!
Me too. Let's go. See where's the lion? See?
Oh, I see.
The Dutch lion. Oh, yeah.
What is this, Ethan? Explain to me. Shall I explain it to you?
Yes.
This is called a patatje oorlog. And that means chips at war. Yeah, patata.
Looks good.
Mmm, yummy,
Show
yummy.
one with me and then they can show the other one.
Okay, here we go.
That's easy for me. I don't even have to jump. I can just eat them like
Oh,
this.
you're in.
Look. Oh, gaat daar.
So, did you try to throw them all? You have to stand here behind the line
Okay.
and then throw.
Ja, vraag.
See if you can hit them. No. Yeah.
Ethan.
You cannot cross the line with your feet.
No, behind the line.
Behind the line.
Behind the line. Oh, it's not. Very exciting. This is the last round, the final of our zakloper championship.
Am I really doing this?
You are really doing it.
I don't fit this back.
Who's going to win?
Me!
Okay.
I'm pretty sure. Don't hold.
Okay. Here we go. 3, 2, 1.
Ethan, can you quickly go get my shoes for me?
Wow, wow, wow. First reaction of the winner.
Did I win?
Yes, you did.
I thought I was late. I was lost. No, this way. Yeah, up. There, yes, there it is. Hands behind your back. No, 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 that's the wrong one. Wrong cable. Yeah, there it is.
Isn't it?
There it is. Oh, you suck.
Oh, I feel something here. Okay, Pepijn. Here we go. Pepijn.
Go for it.
Screw my life.
Go for it.
Don't touch it, you.
Come on, Pepijn.
Ethan,
yay!
Watch out, Pepijn, you can't get the biscuit.
Very good. Very good.
I don't want to eat more. I'm so full.
You wanna go play Spiker Book?
Yeah, that was real fun. Real. So did you like it today?
Was amazing, thank you.
Especially the cook-up and the spiker poop, of course.
Yes.
Yeah, we liked it all very much. Especially me.
Who is the world champion zakloper?
Ja. Ik een beetje het Spiker Book.
Well, let's go.
And indeed, we had to go to the airport. The weather didn't really help driving the 500 kilometers.
Pepijn, very focused. What is it?
I don't know. I'm worried.
Whoa.
Luckily we made it on time to the airport for our flight back to the Netherlands. That's all for now. In the next video...
Yay.
Yay. The first traffic jam.
Always the same.
Thanks for watching.